and welcome back to IASA Sound Bytes. As always, I'm Darin Reffitt, the chair of IASA's eLearning committee and the director of product marketing excellence with Guidewire Software. And today I'm excited to be joined by Burch LaPrade. Burch is the CEO and one of the founders of Gain Compliance, a growth stage InsurTech company which is transforming statutory financial reporting for insurance carriers. He is a seasoned entrepreneur with deep experience in compliance software and with a unique perspective on the reality of digital transformation initiatives. Burch will also be presenting on the topic InsurTech, Solving Real Problems, during IASA's upcoming OnPOINT event. Burch, thank you so much for joining me today.
Hi, Darin. Thanks for having me.
Burch, InsurTech has been a hot topic for a few years, but many insurers still haven't embraced the possibilities it offers. For those new to the topic, can you provide a little background? What exactly is InsurTech and how is it affecting the industry?
Great question. InsurTech is the idea that new approaches and technology are going to transform insurance and all aspects of insurance. So everything from underwriting to distribution to back office reporting. The amount of activity in this area is significant. Almost $5 billion of venture capital investment went into InsurTech in 2020. This is especially remarkable when you consider that insurance is an industry with a reputation for being very slow-moving and not embracing innovation and change.
So for insurers who haven't yet embraced the possibilities of InsurTech, what advice would you give them?
The first piece of advice I would give is just be open to the possibilities. Just because you've been doing a certain task in a certain way for recent history or even longer doesn't mean that it's the best way to do it. There might be a way that's way more efficient or gets you a better result. We see this in the world of stat reporting all the time. Financial reporting teams have been compiling their yellow books and their blue books in the same way for a decade, oftentimes or more, and they just assume this is going to be the way they'll do it kind of going forward and forever. And there are actually better ways to get that job done. So related to that, I would also advise people just to engage, be proactive, go see what's out there. At the IASA conferences, go to the vendor booths and talk to the vendors and see what their software does, to get a quick demo there. Or even easier than that, do a remote demo. Vendors are always happy to do Zoom meetings. Take 30 minutes of your time and you can see whether it fits into your plans and might be a potential possibility to make your life easier.
Thanks for that. Those are all great approaches for dipping your toe in, so to speak. So hopefully insurers will consider those great suggestions. As I mentioned earlier, Burch will be presenting at IASA OnPOINT, our C-suite event where leaders can network and learn about critical industry topics in a session entitled InsurTech, Solving Real Problems. You can learn more about IASA OnPOINT by visiting iasa.org/onpoint. Thank you again for joining us, Burch. If people want to reach out or contact you directly, what's the best way to do so?
Always love to talk to people about InsurTech. So very easy to get in touch with as well. People can reach out to me via email. My email address is burch@gaincompliance.com. Burch is B-U-R-C-H, so Burch with a U, at gaincompliance.com. Or you can visit our website, contact information is there. Alternatively, there's a third way. Gain Compliance is a relatively new addition to the approved vendors for statutory financial reporting by the NAIC. So go to the NAIC website and on their approved vendors list, you'll see Gain Compliance and it has my personal contact information, including, I think, my cell phone. So anyway, look forward to chatting with people.
Great. Thanks again. As always, thank you at home for joining us, and we welcome your feedback. Please comment and follow us on YouTube, and feel free to tweet at me at DMReffitt, at IASA, at IASA Inc., or you can email me at dreffitt@guidewire.com. We'll see you next time on Sound Bytes.